Rust is insane. I never used it before, and this was difficult to write, even with help from Gen AI. In any case, I made a program that lets you speak without a microphone. I mean, there's no way to teleport your voice in a computer with no microphone, so this is the second best option. The program allows you to select between a few options, such as whisper, which makes the voice kinda creepy, or croak, which makes the voice sound scared, probably by the previous whisper. There's also pitch, which makes the voice a higher pitch, and speed, which controls the number of words per minute the voice says. The idea is that with a quick shortcut you could open the app and quickly type what you want to say, then blast the sound in a virtual microphone so that you can speak without a microphone involved. The biggest hurdle is typing speed, which is why I'm currently copying words from this notepad into the program. Because of this, I have added a few abbreviations that get expanded automatically, such as good day, in my opinion, as soon as possible, and so on. There aren't a lot of them, but more can be added easily. Alternatively, you could also use Hyperland or any other window manager, and quickly switch between windows, so that 1 second you're in a game or whatever, and in the next you can speak with your keyboard. Neither option, shortcuts nor window managers, fix the main issue though, so this is a pretty useless project. See you next time.